Right back in the space station. I have bought myself a new toy, so apologies for anybody who wants to do any astronomy tonight, because it will probably be cloudy. So I have bought myself, as you saw by the title of the video, a Polemaster. So we're going to unbox it. So, nice little Polemaster box, metal. It comes off. You have then got a lovely card that tells you where to download the details from. Some foam. Some more foam. I've just dropped. More foam. And there she is. There's the Polemaster. Looks lovely. Cap on screws. It's bigger than I expected it to be honest, which is strange. Doesn't really weigh much, so that's quite good. You also get a USB lead, which you can screw to the back of the Polemaster, which is very handy. I'll plug into a laptop, and then you get some extra screws and some lanyard type things that gets to hold the cap on. And that's it for that box. Then get the adapter. This is for the Celestron CG5 or the AVX. So in here you get a little Allen key to secure it to your mount, a cap which I presume goes somewhere. I'll figure that out later. And then the actual adapter itself, which the camera mounts on somehow. I don't quite exactly get how at this stage, but I will figure that out. I'm sure there's videos. Aha, alright. Maybe that goes on there. No, it doesn't. Anyway, don't know. I'll figure it out and work out. It's unscrewed, so it says it unscrews, it just rotates. Yeah, anyway, I'll figure out how that actually goes onto the mount. I'm presuming that screws on. It's got holes at the front, so those, where have they gone? Oh, I've lost them already. Anyway, there were some long screws that I presume screw from the front to the back into that, and then that screws onto your mount, and then just polar line a lot easier. Anyway, I'll do maybe a part 2 of the Polemaster being used and software and stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching, and